T-bar only. Oh, it's not T-bar. Walking back uphill may take 45 to 60 minutes. Are we sure? Okay, that's good.
Snowboarding has been my favorite sport since 2019, and I love almost everything about it. But there's one thing I absolutely hate, and that is the T-bar. Unfortunately, they're all over Australia. And since Japan couldn't make it out of the group chat, we decided to go to Thredbo for 5 days, which honestly is what I look forward the most to every winter. So join me on this trip to watch us struggle, fall, and hopefully get better along the way.
Just arrived in Thredbo, getting ready for our first ride, and we're gonna do a lesson just to warm it up a bit. And then, yeah, see how it goes.
We usually do 1 or 2 trips at most a year, so it was better for us to do some easy runs to kick in the muscle memory. I didn't film much here because I want to make sure I'm ready for the slope. Plus, we were doing a lesson at the time, so probably not the best time to film.
Just had our lesson today. What do you think about it? This is pretty good. Pretty pro. Yeah. I think it gave us some really good pointers for us to work on. So I think today we're gonna be working on our skills a little more. I wanted to try. The first day back feels pretty intense. It's not used to working. Icy conditions. Yeah, the terrain is a bit icy, so that means we have to use a lot more energy to hold our edge, because I don't want to fall. If I'm fall, I'm probably gonna cry. I fall, I'll sit down and rest. Yeah. Oh man, that fall stings. Yeah. After the fall on the ice, even when I sit down, yeah. When I was trying to strap up, the middle part is yeah, land on the long one. Like this morning, yeah.
After lunch, we were super keen to put what we've learned to the test. But while we were doing that, something really strange happened during our ride on the chairlift.
Can you hear these voices? I thought it was coming out from my phone.
I heard someone talking.
Yeah, they must have some speakers around. Can you hear that?
Is it me? No way.
No, I checked my phone, it's not me.
Maybe like some of the speakers over there.
Yeah.
I feel like it's coming from that side.
Because I can hear it when I was at my car too.
Where do you feel like that's coming in from? Is it,
I don't know.
No, like, is it that side?
I feel like somewhere in the chairlift.
Like a built-in speaker for the chairlift.
Or like they have speakers around the mountains or something.
I was like hallucinating. Like there's some sound.
There's a voice, right? Yeah. Somewhere. I don't know where.
Am I tripping?
No.
I can't pinpoint where that came.
Yeah, because the volume is constant, right? So it has to be somewhere here. I think it's my podcast. I have no f***ing idea why it is playing. I checked it shouldn't be on. Is that the watch?
Yes, it's
oh my god, so it is me. This doesn't show on my phone. A few more runs now, I'm taking a break. It's quite intense. I guess I haven't been fit for the longest time, so it's taking a big toll. Might rest for a bit more in a couple more runs, or maybe I'll just call it a day. Since, yeah, it's only the first day. Let's take it easy.
Eventually, I decided to call it a day, but because I was resting at the Merritt's Mountain House, the only way down was either this blue run here or the gondola. And of course, my ego wouldn't let me take the easy route.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's
And I think this part really sums up my day one, just full of chaos with more chaos. And this is only the beginning.
So this is day 2. Not fully cooked yet, but probably 20-30%. Still got, well, including today's 4 more days. I think we'll be a little bit better today. Now we've done a couple of runs. A bit more confident. We'll see.
Since we were early, we got to experience the freshly groomed runs. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you to get up early for the experience. It's so much more satisfying riding on those. After a couple of warm-ups, we wanted to explore the resort a bit to see what's out there, since we didn't get a chance yesterday.
Good.
And our goal was to go from here all the way to there.
What? Oh, this way? Oh, yeah. Okay, and then what happened?
And then we
Keep going?
And then we're supposed to, at some point, we'll have to turn into village trail.
Okay. Do we keep going? That way? Okay. Bloody hell. Village church. Wait. I think that was Friday flat.
I need to rest my feet.
Yeah. Let's take a rest. Yeah, it's a long run. I just keep slowing down on the cat track, man. Like, I'm scared. I'm scared, man. I haven't done that for so long.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah, because there's nothing to block. Very hard. And my board is still going. Oh, man. Wow. Oh my god.
All the way.
One hell of a ride.
Yeah.
So this is the Kosciuszko Express.
Yeah,
We're on the other side of the mountain.
Yes.
And then we're going to be exploring this part. And apparently it's a lot hotter. It's a lot greener. I mean, it's always greener on the other side, right? We'll find out whether it's true or not.
At last, we finally made it to the other side, but we were both excited and nervous. Excited because we get to explore a new area. Nervous because we're literally heading into the unknown, and we just had absolutely no idea what's ahead of us.
Yeah, this is a T-bar only. Oh, shit. Do not enter if you're going to ride T-bar. But you think we should give it a try?
I think I'm okay.
Okay, yeah. Alright. Should be fine.
It should be fine. Like, you're running pretty well. What are you concerned?
Don't jinx it, don't jinx it. Walking back uphill. Walking back uphill may take 45 to 60 minutes. Are we sure?
That's a very
Are we sure?
warning, man.
Okay. Okay, that's a good one.
I think I was only 70% confidence because I haven't been on the T-bar for like 2 years, and this was only our second day. But knowing it's gonna take us 45 minutes to walk back up, I'm not gonna let myself fail. No freaking way.
I think this kind of flat area I'm very comfortable with it is when you go a bit more inclined, especially in the beginning. And what's up at the front. Good. Yeah. Yeah, I think we did it. Fuck for that.
Managed to survive the T-bar and got back down all the way. Ran into our instructor from day one, did the baby park jumps before the battery runs out. And that's a wrap for day 2.
Day 3. Body kind of sore. And I kind of hurt myself yesterday. Had a massive fall in the park. Well, luckily the helmet saved my life. But yeah, my neck is super sore right now. But yeah, we went out battery, so you couldn't film that. But I think if I did, the camera probably would have cracked. So that was a good thing. So here we go.
By day 3, my body has finally got used to the feeling once again. So I had a lot more control over my snowboard. Initially, I wasn't sure how I was going to feel after the fall, but turns out I was still riding pretty fine.
So lunch, had a couple of good ones earlier today, but now due to the wind, we need to go somewhere else because all the ones that we've been on are now on hold. Weather is quite windy today, so understandable. Hopefully we can find something fun for the rest of the day. The snow gum challenge, and it goes to the intermediate run, and that's the alpine coaster. Looks super fun, but apparently there's extra charge to it. We'll see how we go. If it's too hard, then I might head back to Friday Flat.
Not gonna lie, I felt like I was on this chairlift forever. It took 40 minutes to get here from the bottom. And as I was about to get off, I realized I made a big mistake.
Oh, wait.
After another 8 minutes, we finally got there.
My body's all frozen now.
Yeah, my body's like
Wow.
down.
Oh, this,
And then there's no footrest.
yeah. It's over 10 minutes to ride up.
Yeah, it's so
Oh my god. Yeah. Let's go. Should we go back down to the start?
yeah.
Okay. But yeah, I think after that I'm not coming back.
We're not doing this one.
The wait is too long and it's too cold.
Felt like my body has cooled down too much at this point now. Plus, it takes me too much effort to be riding on harder terrains. I was pretty much done by the time I got back down. Luckily, some of the other chairlifts opened up again, so I was able to pull in a few more easy runs, which absolutely made my day. Very satisfied with our day 3.
Day 4, as you can see, not the best weather today. The strong wind lifts are expected to be on hold. So we are deciding whether we should still go ahead or not. We're already there, but the weather seems really bad. And yeah, anything can change in a matter of minutes. So we're just gonna stay put for now. It is already like 8, but there's no cars here. No one's coming up. What's your opinion?
If it's kind of like this condition, I kind of don't want to ride in the rain.
Yeah, I think heavy rain sucks.
Yeah.
And it makes everything like
cold and wet.
slushy. Yeah,
Don't catch me.
yeah. So we're just waiting because we don't want to be carrying all our gears and then carrying everything back while it's raining. That would suck. So no snow today, unfortunately, due to the strong wind, because none of the lifts are operating. Just a chill day today. Might as well do some work. I guess it's a good way to rest up for our final day tomorrow. It's kind of good because I had a concussion just 2 days ago. Went over to the medic and they said I should probably stop snowboarding for now. Anyway, time to head out.
So the good thing was I was able to catch up with some of my work. Bad thing was the weather wasn't looking good for tomorrow either. In the end, we decided to just call it a day and head back to Sydney. Though slightly disappointing, we still had a pretty good run this trip. I guess we'll just have to make it up in Japan next year. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next time. Maybe in Japan. Peace.
You're happy when I'm on my knees.